Hi, good evening everyone. This is Khyati Rupani live again from balancenutrition.in. What is balancenutrition.in? Well, balancenutrition.in has online programs for weight loss, lifestyle management like diabetes, like hypertension. We have cases which have cancer also. And we have a lot of GI cases, be it fatty liver, be it uric acid. So what we would want you to do is today evening, just sit back, relax, make sure that you have a cup of tea or coffee with me, and let's start talking. Talking about how lockdown is treating you, talking about various things that are coming in your mind. And if I don't get a topic from you, what I'm going to do is for the next 15 minutes, I'm going to keep on blabbering. First of all, I just want a confirmation in terms of yes from all of you in case y'all can't hear me. So if y'all can hear me very well and if y'all can see me very well, please say yes. And that is how I think what we will be doing is we will be going around. So while I have my cup of chai, why don't I see a hi or why don't I see a yes from all of you in the comment section, please? Great, Shikha. Hi, how are you? Thank you for saying that. And we have a lot of people even on Instagram who have joined us. So that is what I think I would do now. What I would do is I would pick up a topic. Thanks, Sonali. Hi, how are you? One of our oldest clients. What I would do is I would pick up a topic for today. And the topic for today is the latest headlines. I know we all are sick of listening about coronavirus, but today what we will be doing is we will make sure that we are talking about a very important point and then moving on. Okay, sweetie, hi, how are you? So today I read a news and that news said that it is deficiency of vitamin D. Now that is what I don't know, deficiency of vitamin D that is causing death among people who are suffering from coronavirus. So yes, everyone, it came as a big shock even to me. Something like vitamin D deficiency leading you towards some infection becoming more malicious. So that is the talk of the town today. Whereas diet does very less for vitamin D, okay, production और vitamin D availability. मुझे सबसे बड़ी तकलीफ ये हो रही है कि most of us have been indoors for the last more than 1 month, okay, या फिर उससे भी ज़्यादा in some places. Can this now be something that we should worry about? You know, we have hardly got vitamin D. How many of you went outside in this COVID early morning for a 1 hour walk because sunshine is essential for synthesis? मतलब vitamin D बनने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है sunshine and exposure to early morning sun. So right now it is summer. I would say it is the 6:30 a.m. sun that is going to do most benefit to us. Given the lockdown, हम लोग तो भाई कोई टाइम टेबल फॉलो ही नहीं कर रहे. Most of us are sleeping at erratic hours. Most of us are eating at erratic hours. So now imagine staying at home. Is that more harmful? Because staying at home and not having vitamin D and God forbid कोई infection हो गया तो. Now comes to the point of nutrition, the point where I want you all to now be very, very attentive to what I am telling you. ठीक है ना? Again and again I say the same thing, and that is please use this entire time that we have. We still have time. I still feel that we will be in semi-lockdown situations or lockdown situations for the next 30 days, and उसके बाद जो हमारे we'll worry. Don't you think so, guys, that हमको डर लगेगा? How many of you will walk out or the next day the lockdown opens and catch a train or catch an auto? Say yes if you will and say no if you won't, because there is that little worry that you still have in your heart that मैं बाहर निकलूं तो I will be safe. Yes or no? I am waiting for some answers, guys. Will you be stepping out the next day of the lockdown? No, Sonali says she won't be stepping out and she will be worried. What about the rest of you? Will you be worried? You know, all I want to know. See? Yes, yes, yes. So that is what it is. Now, compared to this, chalo, hum to healthy individuals hai. It is also said that COVID will, or rather the comorbidities because of COVID are more high, or rather they are going to be higher in people. Dipti, correct. Preeti, absolutely correct. It is going to be higher in people, you know, who have diabetes, who have thyroid, and who have high cholesterol, fatty liver, all that. कभी सोचा था हमने that this is going to be a problem, that this is going to be so fatal? हमको लगा नहीं ठीक है, you know, हो जाएगा, you know, we will manage somehow, and diabetes है तो क्या हुआ, आज मैंने एक आइसक्रीम खा लिया. So what I want to bring to your notice is the time that you have at hand right now, okay? You will have to use this time well, guys. You have to put into practice some things that are going to make a big difference in your life. Yesterday, I told all the mothers, right, that you have to, this Mother's Day, change 3 things about yourself and make yourself more healthy. दुनिया ऐसे चेंज हो रही है जैसे कोई परमानेंट चेंजेस ही हो रहे हैं. Are we still consuming a lot of bread? Question number 1. Number 1 enemy of human race is white bread. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए that white bread is something that is going to cause a lot of GI disturbance. What is GI disturbance? GI disturbance means क्या आपको acidity होती रहती है? Do you keep suffering from constipation? Do you feel heavy in the stomach? Do you feel bloated? That is because directly compared to the food you eat. I was watching a documentary a couple of days back, okay, and that documentary stated that, you know, hum sab, I don't know if most of us here eat treated meats, but you know, there is a big chunk of population that eats salami, that eats hot dogs, that eats different kinds of meats which are frozen and treated. It is said that one hot dog or one of that meat is very detrimental, and it causes, actually I'm trying Instagram pe thoda light aa jaye, but I think I'm failing at that, whereas Facebook is going fantastic. So all of you, I know I look very pretty on Instagram, but please bear with me. It is important you hear what I'm trying to tell you. ठीक है? Now coming back to what I was talking, white bread जितना भी हम कम खाए, it is going to help us. What my other issue with all my clients is that it is the usage of sugar which is invisible. Okay, coming back to the entire process of, you know, when a hot dog is made, or when a salami is made, or when pepperoni is made. Pepperoni pizza is really famous over here. It is said that when you consume one hot dog, okay, it is like having 2 cigarettes. Okay, so somebody, आजकल कैंसर तो हम सबको पता है. Everyone knows that cancer, 2 of our famous Bollywood stars, both of them who I had a crush on at various points in life, they died because of cancer. Cancer is so rampant that, you know, you will hear also someone like Sonali Bendre having cancer. You will have somebody like Ayushmann Khurrana's wife having cancer. It has become a lot more common. Is there any connection you think between cancer and the food we eat? There is straight on connection. Anyone who is seen eating treated meats is having 180% higher chances of cancer. Now let's not party too hard because hum to nahi khate. I will come back to you with kebabs. Most of us love the chicken tikka. इनफैक्ट वी आर मिसिंग इट, राइट, क्योंकि डिलीवरी भी नहीं हो रही है. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ यू हु लव योर टिक्काज एंड हु लव योर kebabs that are roasted, you know, on coal, or that are you know, smoked. All smoked meats and all smoked products also cause cancer. So what I want to tell you is that we are finally what we eat and what we make out of our food. When God gave us beautiful food, why do we still want to put it in packets, and why not use food as it is? The reason I come live every single day right now during lockdown is because I feel, guys, this is the golden opportunity to work on your health. Are you ready to do that? Then I will give you 2 tips which you can start tomorrow itself, which is there right in your kitchen. If you are ready, you say yes. If you are not ready, I will move on to some other topic. I am waiting for some comments. There are other questions, you know, that somebody has said, simple ma'am, need to avoid more carbs. Syed, in fact, you will be shocked and you will be surprised to hear that it is not a high carbohydrate diet that causes, you know, cancer. Or that causes diabetes, or it is not sugar that is going to lead you to any kind of disease. Sugar, by the way, we eat very less. Thank you, Dipti, Apu, Neetu, Vikram. All of them are saying yes. Here we have Drumit, Sonali, Said, Monica, and a lot of you who are saying yes. So cool. I am going to give you 3 tips, but let me start, let me finish what I started and what I was talking about. Is that, you know, I just, again, it was a lot of study that what we have to now look at. Diabetes is caused by insulin that is not coming out to utilize your blood sugars. All of us know that to use the blood sugar, it is the job of insulin, which is a hormone. It holds the blood sugar, brings it into the bloodstream, and then your blood sugars are used. What happens in diabetes? Sugar levels rise. Why sugar levels rise? Because you eat too much sugar? No, not that fully. It is also because insulin resistance hota hai. You know, insulin is not going or not finding entry into your bloodstream to pick up, you know, the glucose and take it for utilization and production of energy. This is caused because your arteries and your vital organs like the liver, which play a major role in insulin synthesis as well as insulin getting to do its job, is not functioning. You know why it is not functioning? Because there is too much fat in your arteries. क्या ये बहुत technical हो रहा है, or are you all understanding? I'm trying to make it simple. If it is too technical, say yes, very technical. If it is simple, please comment simple. Because I am trying to explain something very, very complicated to you in a very simple manner. All I want you to understand is that it is not the blood sugar, or it is not you eating too much sweets that is causing diabetes. Fat, if present in your arteries, if present around your waistline, if it is present around your vital organs, then it is going to affect you very badly. So घूम फिर के you come back to your diet, you come back to packaged foods, and you come back to fat. हमको लगता है, you know what, I anyways don't eat too much fat. Okay, a bowl of dahi is extremely healthy. But guys, अगर वो दही आपने full fat milk का पिया है, then be rest assured that you are getting extreme amounts of fat even in that bowl of dahi. It is not just that dahi. What I always tell everyone is that you try and multiply things in your brain. Today you had a piece of chocolate. Every single chocolate, even your sugar-free chocolates, are very high in fat. They are high in calories. You have to keep a diary. Everything you eat which you think is a treat, ठीक है ना, आपको लगता है कि ये ट्रीट है, आज today I deserve that chocolate, or today I deserve ice cream, or today I deserve that gulab jamun there. You will write down. आप महीने में कितना डिजर्व करते हो ना, you will understand. In fact, एक वीक का ही कर लो. Today, if you are saying I'm very tired and I'm going to enjoy my double cheese pizza, wife को बोलोगे घर पे बनाने के लिए, or you will yourself go and make it for your बच्चास. You have to realize that formation of fat. अब ये कैसे समझाऊँ? We all have arteries. Arteries are blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body, and then you have vein that carries the blood back to the heart for purification. Right or wrong? All of us know this कि हमारे blood vessels है. These blood vessels, पता है, we say that इसको angiography करानी पड़ी, इसको angioplasty करानी पड़ी. How many of you have heard that? Angiography, angioplasty. Major cases में when the major artery is blocked, we say bypass कराना है, right? Yes or no? Yes? Guys, I need you to interact with me. I need you to ask me questions, because otherwise I feel you all are getting bored. So what I want you to now understand is that the formation of the first line of fat, the first line of fat is coming in your arteries at the age of 10. Yes. Your 10-year-old child is susceptible to developing a layer of fat around his or her arteries. Now imagine if this 10-year-old is eating badly planned food, 35 tak he will have his arteries jammed. I am trying to make it simple for you guys. It will start showing in the form of headache, not able to climb 2 floors successfully. Okay, are you getting me? These are the symptoms: bloating, burping, belching, then headaches, then excessive tiredness. That is what causes all these things. Later on, by 40, you will see that, oh, मेरा है ना HbA1c ज़्यादा आ गया, मेरा फास्टिंग ज़्यादा आया, बाकी सब ठीक है. डॉक्टर इज सेइंग इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी कम हो गई है. Guys, this is all because of eating a diet very high in invisible fat, very high in packaged, very less amount of physical activity. अगर आपको लगता है कि झाड़ू पोछा करके we are doing a fantastic job right now, I am sorry, we are not. If you eat 3 carrots in a day, 3 raw carrots, you can walk. ये जो एक पोस्ट घूमती रहती है 3 carrots are enough for 2 miles. No, I'd say you can walk for a good 3 kilometers. That is enough. You are done. इतना ही खाना चाहिए for a good walk of 3 kilometers. We are trying to eat a little too much. ठीक है? We don't need so much food. And घर पे बैठ के in lockdown, we are eating even more. So when you were at office, when you used to take your dabba, it used to be 2 roti and sabzi. In the evening, yes, you would give into a sev puri or a vada pav. Right now, what are you doing? You are eating 3 rotis, you are eating amras, or you are eating mango. फिर 4 बजे वापस किचन जाते हो to find some biscuit, chips. 5 बजे चाय के साथ चाहिए. Then again 7, 7:30 बजे you will eat something. And then your dinner is going to be आज पाव के साथ रगड़ा खा लिया. Today you made some rice. However, y'all are not lazy at all to cook something delicious which is very elaborate, like a chicken biryani. Ye season mein, when y'all are hardly moving, do you think you need that jalebi, guys? Do you think you need that chicken biryani? All I'm saying is be wise. You can eat everything. You can plan your food very well, but what is shocking that is coming out because of coronavirus is the susceptibility of the Indians, especially towards diabetes, towards hypertension, and then how it causes you to be perennially weak all the time. What worries is also the kids, right? How many of our kids have overeaten their junk quota right now? Many, many, many. Isn't it right, guys? So now I will come to 2 tips before signing off. I want to give you 2 tips which you will do tomorrow morning, and you will tell me how it feels. Okay, 1 tip starts tonight. Tonight, okay, before you go to bed, what I want you to do is, I want you to enjoy a big fat mug of hot water with half lime. So this is suppose your mug, okay? This is the mug you have, this size, everyone. You fill it till here with water. Heat it. It should not be warm. It should be hot water. Add half a lime in it. Okay. Have you heard of elaichi? Yeah. Have you heard of cardamom? Cardamom has plenty of benefits. It will give you good sleep. It will induce weight loss. It will calm your senses. And it is the best drink that is had at bedtime. So you will have 1 pinch of cardamom. And you will also, if there is cinnamon at home, दालचीनी 1 stick, वो 1 stick आपको उसमें डालना है. Let this hot water and cardamom and cinnamon be there for at least 20 minutes. After which, stir with cinnamon, drink it, okay? And once you drink it is when you will feel ready to go to sleep. When you get up tomorrow morning, your headache will disappear. Your acidity issue will be quite less. You will fantastically get a very, very nice clearance of your stomach. Trust me, you will love this recipe. Now comes point number 2, or rather tip number 2. Tomorrow morning, when you start your day, I know all of us love our chai. So I am not coming in the middle of you and chai. What I want you to do is, I want you to start your day, whether you are overweight, underweight, diabetic, I want you to start your day with 1 banana. And now Ramzan is going on, so I am assuming most of you will have sabja. There is a difference between chia seeds and sabza. So if you have chia seeds and if you have sabza, you will have again 1 cup of chia seed water or sabja water with that 1 small banana. You start your day with that. After 20 minutes, go have your chai, go have your nashta. Try and have a healthy one, of course. But these 2, yes, said a diabetic can eat a banana. A diabetic can have a mango. What we need to do is, we need to understand that it is not the sugar. Banana mein acha fiber hai. Banana has potassium also. So don't worry. Yes, but worry about the ketchup. Worry about the white rice. Worry about the maida. Okay, Madhu, if you don't have a banana, I would say switch to a mango, but I want banana because of its high potassium content, high fiber content, and because it is a soother for the tummy. It will ensure you don't feel hungry for the rest of the day like you do every time. The sugar in the morning will calm your senses down. So tonight, you are having the hot water elaichi and cinnamon drink. Send me a picture if you make it, okay? DM it to me or put it in the comments right here if it's Facebook. Tomorrow morning, before your chai, you will have a banana and you will have chia water. Because of chia water, you will go ahead and make it a very, very nicely balanced sugar before breakfast treat for you. All right. Now, having said that, if there are any questions, I will wait for only 30 seconds. If you give me any questions, I'll be very, very happy to answer that. Syed, you don't have to replace roti and rice. Just make sure your roti at most times is multigrain roti and your rice at most times is ukra or basmati, or best choice for you being a diabetic is brown rice. Right? Sometimes we can't get banana. Thanks, we'll try mango. Okay, perfect. All right then. I think we are pretty much done with your questions, my tips, and tomorrow is Mother's Day. So to all the women out there, don't forget to take care of yourself, because it is you and only you who's responsible for not just yourself but your entire family. Right or wrong, a big happy Mother's Day to all of you. People are asking me if mint chutney is right for cleaning liver. Now please understand, the term liver cleansing cannot be used so so freely. Liver can't be cleansed, okay? A liver is something that is the most important organ, okay? Heart and liver, okay? These two are most important organs. They say liver is your second heart. What you have to do is you have to eat a diet which is good in fiber. So that's why I just said multigrain roti helps, fresh fruits help, fresh vegetables help. आप लोग तो आजकल सब जूस पी रहे हो. I am anti juice, we all know, right? So you have to make sure that liver cleansing के लिए don't think that there is one specific food. Yes, it is vegetables, it is fruits, it is healthy low fat diet that is going to give your liver 10 years of life. Now I have, please reply क्या है Sonali? Chia seeds have to be in normal water, okay? Because if you put warm water, it will what do you say, it will get sticky and you will not like it. I can see that there are many questions even in our group. I will come back to you on that. But I think now I should leave you all my Muslim clients who would want to break their fast. Please eat healthy. And all of you who have a mommy out there, make sure that she watches the video I did yesterday. Until then, it's bye from Khyati and all the nutritionists and the entire team of Balanced Nutrition who works day and night to ensure that you all get your answers even now. Bye.